Are you ready to take creativity to the next level? First, prepare the materials needed for making the screen. 1. Mesh. 2. Screen. 3. Double adhesive tape. 4. Scissors. 5. Frame and set of clamps. On the screen, you could see that the front side has an arrow indicator and the back side has none. On the back part of the screen, apply the double adhesive tape to each side, ensuring you do not cover any holes on the screen. Proceed to measure and cut your pieces of mesh. For best results, remove the red film on the tape and attach the mesh one by one on each side. Ensure the screen making side, which is the shiny side of the mesh, is facing down and is attached to the tape. Try and make the mesh as stretched as you can. Now, we're ready to take it to the MiScreen. Turn on the machine, ensure the frame is straight and the holes match up with the metal pins. On the MiScreen software, drag and drop your file and proceed to clicking the Send Image button. Firmly hold down the cover switch of the main unit, ensuring to not lose pressure until the frame comes to a complete stop. Once it completely stops, gently remove the frame from the machine, and the image is now exposed. After exposing the image using the MiScreen, peel the mesh and transfer the mesh to a metallic frame. Stretch the mesh and make sure it is nice and tight. Put both sides of the frame together and tighten up the frame using the clamps. This will help create tension of the frame whenever you will proceed on printing. Now, we're ready for printing. Print with the print making side or the matte side of the screen facing upwards. Put some ink using spatula to scoop and speed the ink. Use squeegee and screen print away. With its compact size and user-friendly software, you'll be able to scan anything, anywhere in no time. Contact us for more information.